All right. The Land Rover engine is rebuilt. We got a few little issues we're still dealing with, but today's the day when this thing is going to run under its own power for the first time, right, sweetie?
We hope so.
Do you remember how to start it?
Do I flip the little gas pumpy switch?
Just run it for. You got to turn the key on first.
Key first.
Run the pump for a few seconds. You can turn that pump off. Pull the choke out. Choke is the cable. Nope, that's the heater. Choke is over there, like where the little glove box hole is. Reach way over.
Oh, I forgot how to do this.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
All right, now crank it.
Oh, crap. Okay. It's in.
Neutral. It runs.
It runs.
Brand new clutch. It works. Well, it works.